Are you frustrated with your guitar progress? And you hear people say, oh, be patient. Patience is a virtue. No, it's not. That's not a virtue. That's just, you're passionate about it. You want to go somewhere. Right? And then people say, oh, be patient. No, be impatient. The only thing that got me to where I am today is impatience. Every single strategy or method or thing I came up with to evolve faster or to make shortcuts around a lot of guitar practicing that I didn't have to do was because I was impatient, for freak's sake. So be impatient. You could say that when you are sufficiently impatient, but you're not using this to try and get to where you want to go in a constructive, productive way, then you'll just be frustrated, right? And also impatience can sometimes lead people to come up with weird techniques of holding the pick in order to get progress faster, but that's not impatience. That's because we don't understand the challenge. That we think we should have some alternate picking results after 100,000 repetitions of one specific pattern. Forget about it. You need 1 million at least to have a result. And so that's just not understanding the challenge. But impatience is just everything. It's motivation. And to tell people that they should be patient, it's just like, ugh, right? It's not what you need. You need passion, you need excitement, you need, yeah, I want to get there. But then what happens when you're productive about your impatience is that you try things out all the time. You say, okay, what happens if I do X for an entire month, right? Okay, I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to do this 2-string pattern. I want to do alternate picking, right? I want to learn that. So what do? Well, what happens if I impatiently practice like a maniac whenever I can that pattern with alternate picking when I'm talking to friends, when I'm watching TV, when I'm watching YouTube videos, before I go to bed, when I get up for bed, when I come home from work, I have a guitar in my car, that's being impatient. That's what comes from impatience. And then you put in all these repetitions and you count them because you know exactly how many minutes you practiced and you know exactly every day how many repetitions you have per minute. That's what comes out of impatience if you savor it, if you like it, if you use it for progress. So be impatient is the only thing that's going to get you to where you want to go.